drove this car every day while it was stock. The biggest thing I always kind of was like the car didn't accelerate really that quickly, and I could feel like the flywheel was really heavy. And so that's, you know, why we went ahead and installed the Clutch Masters lightweight flywheel. While we did so, we had to change the clutch because the dual mass pressure plate with the unsprung disc on the stock clutch kit wouldn't made up with the FK, the Civic Type R style of flywheel, which is a single mass. So the one thing I noticed with the first impression about the lightweight flywheel is obviously the less rotational mass on the crankshaft. The motor will rev up quicker. It revs up actually a lot quicker. And so now I'm kind of like, the car's just low end powers. I'm just kind of like moving all over the place now. Like right now, I'm in traffic and the car just wants to go. And that's kind of cool. That's for a Accord, you're kind of sitting there going, well, this thing feels, it's starting to feel less and less like a mom and dad family sedan and more like a sports car, which is what we wanted. Oh, look at all that wheel spin. So the car moves. Final gear. That's one of the things I didn't talk about yet. Was one of the reasons why the car is able to pick up so much quicker was, one, the lightweight flywheel, and two, we have the same final gear as the Type R now. So the gear ratio is much quicker. 1 through 4 is the same as a Type R now. And the cool thing about having a longer 5th and 6th is for freeway. The cruising speeds is a little bit more tamed than the Type R. So that's kind of a good thing. You know, I don't mind that. Okay, let's trade out. Let's trade out and get in the Type R. So now we jump into the Type R and let's go for a spin. See if, oh, the clutch is so much softer. The only thing we've done to this car is so far we lowered it and we put a PRL intercooler on it, on this car. No downpipe, no exhaust, nothing yet. A little spin there. The Type R definitely has, you can feel the boost, the top end is better. It's still better than the Accord. And the Accord, we even put the Flash Pro on there, which added 6 pounds of boost. And still it's not, the top end doesn't feel like the way the Type R does. The Type R just keeps revving all the way through. Already I can tell you that the more aggressive clutch kit was not something I should have done. We should have, even on the Type R, there's no reason for it right now. Even if we make more power and we turn up the boost and stuff like that, until it starts slipping, this clutch holds up fine. So the Type R clutch, I think, would be the best overall ideal clutch. Lightweight flywheel, whether or not you want the Clutch Masters 17-pound flywheel or the stock Type R flywheel, I think you're good with both. You can't go wrong with either one. The Type R this is basically a very nice, fun track car that's comfortable, just comfortable enough for the street. That's what it is to me. And the Accord's the opposite. The Accord's the car that's too comfortable for the street and not track worthy enough. So that's what we got to give it some more balls, give it some more guts. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Help us grow the channel. And we have a giveaway going on, so please subscribe and comment and let us know what you'd like to see in the next video. Help us reach our goal, and a lucky subscriber will receive a new shifter bushing for the Accord and the Civic Type R.